Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Junie. Tonight I'm coming back with my Berkley bag. And basically this just holds my soft plastics that I carry around for the season. And I really like this bag. I got this bag a few years ago and I never really used it because I didn't really have a lot of soft plastics at the time. And so I just kind of tucked it away, and I recently found it a couple months back. So basically what I have in here, I went ahead and changed out some of the stuff in here, and I'm probably going to be doing a little bit more changing. And so here's what the bag looks like. It's got a nice handle, really heavy duty. Comes with a strap as well, and it comes with this large front pocket that you can just zip one-handed, which is very nice. Has a plier holder, and you can just basically put whatever you want in there. You know, if you're going to bring a sandwich, a towel, or whatever you'd like to put in there for the day. And so here's what it looks like. And so let's open it up. So it comes with these nice little pulls right here. Very easy to open. That's what I'm very impressed about this bag. And it takes up a little bit of space. It's not that big of a bag either. So here we go. I'm going to open this up. And then what you see here is a bunch of like plastic bags that hold, you know, all sorts of plastics. Any kind of plastics you would want. Even the odd shaped packages that you can get, like the clam shells, can fit right in here. And I have everything in here, all sorts of different ones. And this is what I'm going to be taking out for the 2023 season. Back here is a nice big mesh pouch, and I have all the weights, snap swivels, shaky heads, wobble heads, all kinds of stuff in there. And then up here on the front, I don't know if you could see this, but there's these little plastic zipper pouches right here, and I've got all sorts of hooks. Over here is all sorts of wide gap hooks, extra wide gap hooks. Here's some offset hooks, some drop shot hooks. Over here is empty until I can figure out what I'd like to do. But yeah, this bag is nice, especially if you are like a college student or somebody who does a lot of traveling and you don't have a lot of space to put stuff. You could put a lot of baits in here. And let's say you don't want to do plastics. You could go ahead and put your hard baits in there if you'd like. You can basically put whatever you want. And then it's just a nice, compact thing. So that's what I like about it. It's like, you just stick this, you know, under your seat in the car. You could take it, like if you're a college student, let's say you're between classes, or even if you're at work, and you don't want to have a big old tackle bag sitting in your car, you know, you can flip this over and nobody will ever know. If you could, please like and subscribe. This is just basically a Berkley Bait Binder bag that you can get just about anywhere. I have the specs right here just in case you would like one. There you go. And tonight I'm using my GoPro. This is the first video I'm going to shoot with my GoPro. If you could, like and subscribe, or give me any critiques or any information to help me make better videos, I would appreciate it. As you can see, I've had this for years. So, okay, well, thank you very much for stopping by, and thank you for checking out my channel. I appreciate it. And if you lasted this long, if you could hit that thumbs up and leave me a message if you'd like, I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm just a small, rinky-dink little channel, and if you could, like and subscribe. See you soon. This is Junie.